fun. So I'm just going to stick to the right. And there's no one else on the track, so we can head straight out.
So we'll do a brake check here, do we? Or?
Yeah, the brakes will work, we've just been in it, so that's fine.
That's what they said we would do to familiarise ourselves with brakes. So
left. Yes, the brakes are very touchy in this car, so yeah. Alright, so flick it up into second. And we can stay in third now.
Well, they grip.
They are.
We changed now.
No, we're staying in third. Looking around the corner, getting it nice and close for that yellow cone. And on the gas now, bringing it out nice and wide. Into fourth. And on the gas, keep going. And on the brakes, into third gear. Holding it nice and close to the curb. Wait, being patient and go now. So if you start jabbing the accelerator, you've got to make the car go forward. So you're going to run the car off the track. So you've got to be patient for that cone, and there you go, that's the one. And go for it. A little bit of brake, turning in, and on the gas. Nice and wide. Lift off, turn in, and go. Lifting off now, wait for the car to come back to that bollard and go. Nice, that's good. And brake. That's good. Yeah, nice and close and on the gas now. Stay close to this guy, get right up next behind him, and we'll get a pass just around the corner here. Here we go, fire it in, we have plenty of space. Supercar, can we have a pass please? Okay, we'll go around the right side, go to the left. Do that, pass him on the left, sweet. A little bit earlier so that you can fire it in a bit quicker. So rather than just braking it in the last second, just try and brake that tiny little bit earlier with a little bit less pressure. That's good, keep it going. Lifting off, and go down. That's the traction control, so try and ramp the throttle a little bit better, and then like if it's a bit smoother on the ramp, what will happen is the traction control won't kick in. And go. There you go, that's good. Get it nice and close, keep it going now. Hold the brakes, so we don't want to be accelerating past that orange brake marker, because we are going pretty quickly. And go.
Better than the previous.
Sorry?
Was that better than the previous one?
That's good, yeah, you're doing really well. Hold it nice and close and go. That's good. Yeah, you're doing well. And go, nice and wide on the exit. And go, nice and wide. Lift off, turn in, and keep it going. Lift off, lift off, lift off. And it's a little bit early there. I'll turn the traction control off so it stops doing that. It's been nice and smooth on the throttle for me. No accelerating past that orange brake marker, please.
Sorry, that what?
No accelerating past the orange brake markers. They're there to say brake. Alright, that was very late on the brakes.
Very late, alright.
And go. You can do a very quick time still whilst braking at that marker, alright? If you can carry the speed and the momentum through the corner, you can still get a good time out of the car. Off, wait for that bollard, and go. Strong power, keep it going, and hard on the brakes. Can get nice and close.
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah. And go. So that's good speed. Good mid-corner speed.
Good teacher.
Keep it forward. Good, keep it going, you're fine. On the brakes, that's good. Now keep the speed now, let it bleed into the corner, and that's good. And on the gas now. Fire it in, getting it turned in early, that's good. Now hold it in, and go now. We're finished, just flat monster, we're finished, continue on. Alright, we're all done, mate.
All done? Oh.
Yeah. Right as you're getting quick.
We were so close.
I know.
So we're going in this one?
Yeah.
Man, that's exhilarating.
What was that?
That's exhilarating.
Exhilarating it is, hey, it gets your heart pumping very quickly. You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Have you done anything like this before?
I've done a couple of track days.
Yeah, what in?
Porsche Cayman.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
It's a nice little car.
They're good cars, those things, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's probably the first four-wheel drive I've ever driven where one was, Cayman, hey.
Cayman.
Yeah,
Cayman,
sorry.
yeah.
I thought you said Cayenne, yeah.
Oh, so we're curving
we'll just,
around like this, aren't we?
Yeah, we'll just park up right in front of that park bench over there. Yeah, I can't say I've driven a Cayman actually. I was thinking of Cayenne.
No,
I was going to say the Cayenne's the first car I drove which actually didn't feel like a full drive. Because they built crazy.
No, Cayman, it's a little mid-engine.
Yeah, like the